Everyone, so we are at Lep. We are going to see the historical Lep waterfall. So first of all, we get the Grim Reaper, little donkey, the witch. Then you got a lovely place out to have a breakfast. Just park in at the side. Really nice breakfast. So here we are, Lep historical waterfall. Little leprechaun house. Yeah, little leprechaun house. So I'm gonna do a quick recording. Some art. And then there we go. Then you got your skulls up here. I got one of these at home. That one's cool. And you got some more little artwork here. The fold there in the back. And then you get a cool looking dude. I like the way that's done. Then add nuts and bolts. That's really good. So, yeah, let's take a peek. This tells you all about it. You got northwest and all that on the ground. You got telling you local beaches and stuff. Barley Cove. Now Barley Cove is a beautiful place, as you can see there. The Warren, we've been there a few times. I got a video of there. Shagumna Beach, one that I'm always going to. And this is Donny Beach, which is a beautiful beach as well. I'll zoom out there a bit so you can read that. And then another one of my favourite beaches, Onahincha, because there's a nice walk around the corner of the beach there as well. It's got a lot of things here. You can just pause the video, take a read of this. Telling you all about the famine. You can hear the waterfall at the back. Yeah, and this is a beautiful place. I took the video of that as well, Timothy Gabby. You see Abbey there, beautiful place as well. Then that's Mizzen Head at the Mizzen Peninsula. Really lovely place there as well. Put some info there. You can just pause the video. And you got some more stuff here, Glandore Castle, Gilfinnan Castle. Some information there as well for y'all. And it just tells you a load of stuff along the Wild Atlantic Way here. So go through that slowly there, and you can just pause the video, take a look. There's a couple of a couple of pictures there as well. Your quarry. Rest in peace, everyone. In a beautiful place like Iron, we go here at night time and the water glows, very luminescent. It's lovely. So it's a beautiful area, Loch Iron. Highly recommend if anyone comes over. And living around with Marscock. There's some info there. You can just pause the video, take a read of it, go down through it for you all. Then the Drumbeg Circle, it's quite close in between Lep and Ross as well, and Glandore. And the last but not least, O'Donovan's Lep. That's where we are now. And Lep, or as the Americans call it, Leap. There you go. And then Fairy Village waterfall. I like that. Look in and see the prettiest thing you have ever seen. Yourself in the mirror. So look, now you're standing on over the river here. You'll be walking along. As you can see, we're quite high up, going along. There's the waterfall there. The sound is amazing. But this is Lepp waterfall. You can see we're quite high up. Just standing looking down. Surrounded by all the greenery, look. Then standing right over. You wouldn't want that to get corroded there now, would you? You'd be like, wee, straight in the water. Definitely be hurt. Hey, what an amazing sound of Mother Nature. This is the historic Lepp waterfall. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. Lepp waterfall. Walking our way back in there now. You see, that's the walk going out. Lovely, isn't it? Do it again. Show everyone the prettiest thing going. And it's yourselves. You're all pretty. Cheesy, right? So, have a good one, everyone. Oh, before I do, gotta say goodbye to the chimp. Ta-ta! Didn't even realise that was there. So, once again, my friends, take care all. Just wanted to show you a quick video of it. And there's the entrance at the side of the chipper. So, take care all.